What if the first mark you carry is a sacred secret? Take a moment to notice that small, humble spot at the center of your body. Most of us just see it as a simple scar, a leftover from being born. But what if it's much more? What if this isn't just where you connected to your mother, but a powerful, energetic imprint, a lasting sign of a deep spiritual agreement? This is the core idea of your soul contract, a sacred promise your spirit made with the universe even before you took your first breath. Your belly button, then, doesn't just hold the memory of your physical start. It carries the quiet echoes of this grand cosmic agreement, gently etched with the purpose and important lessons you chose for this life. It's like a hidden code, revealing the blueprint behind your body, just waiting for you to remember it. Let's explore the astonishing truth of the umbilical cord. Beyond its vital job of feeding your body, imagine it as something truly incredible. A glowing, vibrant lifeline between different worlds. A living bridge connecting your pure spirit to your growing physical body. This wasn't just a tube for food. It was a sacred path through which your unique soul energy, your divine self, flowed into the human form you are now. Ancient wisdom from long ago always knew this deep truth. In the mystical practices of Taoist and Sufi alchemy, this exact point, where your life began its physical journey, was honored as the gate of heaven. This isn't just a beautiful name, it's a precise way to describe the place where universal laws, the rules of the cosmos, perfectly met the intricate plan of your physical life. It was the very entrance where your eternal self stepped into its earthly journey. Even science offers a hint. Your belly button was the first place to get nutrients. Yes, but also crucial signals for growth. It's where your entire nervous system first began to form, spreading out like roots, reaching for the earth. So, this tiny scar is far from ordinary. It is truly a cosmic interface, a powerful reminder of where your spirit and energy first met your body, a silent witness to the moment your soul fully embraced being human. Now, what if the subtle curve or depth of your belly button isn't just random? What if it subtly points to your soul's deeper purpose, a hidden language spoken through your very form? Ancient wisdom suggests that different navel shapes can whisper truths about your unique soul path. We won't tell you this is who you are, because your truth is too vast for simple labels. Instead, we invite you to quietly reflect, to feel if one of these ancient archetypes stirs something deep inside you, like a distant memory finally clicking into place. First, consider the deep hollow, where your navel is set deeply inward, like a hidden cave within your center. This shape often whispers of the abyssal seeker, a soul whose truest path leads always inward, into profound depth, into quiet self-discovery, and into the rich mystery hidden beneath everyday life. These are the inner alchemists, often holding vast unspoken wisdom within them, insights others might not grasp. Their journey on earth can feel beautifully quiet at times, as they bravely explore truths others avoid, driven by a deep desire for understanding and a pull towards the great unknown within themselves. Then, there's the flat plane, where the navel sits smoothly or gently disappears into the skin. This shape often reflects the equilibrium weaver, a soul born to find and create perfect balance. These are the natural peacemakers, skilled at bringing harmony between different worlds, between various viewpoints, and between complex, even clashing ideas. They move through life with grace, finding deep peace in tricky situations and naturally uniting what seems divided, spreading balance and fairness wherever they go. And finally, the gentle protrusion, a softly outward-pointing navel, often blooming gently from your center. This vibrant shape often points to the dawn-bearer, a powerful soul sent here to bring truly new ways of being to Earth. These are the brave initiators, meant to gently shake up old patterns and fearlessly create fresh paths for humanity's growth. They carry a sacred, transforming energy that can feel almost electric to those around them. Sometimes, especially when young, they might be misunderstood simply because they arrive ahead of their time, embodying a future vision that the present isn't quite ready for. Each of these archetypes, in their own way, often signs up for specific kinds of awakenings in life, challenges that perfectly fit the deep lessons they chose to learn, connecting their soul's journey to the very form of your body. If your navel truly holds the living memory of your soul contract, then the certain big life events don't just happen to you. They energetically tug at your navel. It's not just a physical feeling, but a deep resonant pull from your core. Think of powerful moments like betrayals that change your world and force you to rebuild, the clear light of breakthroughs that suddenly show you new paths, or the strong urge of sudden callings that rise from deep inside, pushing you onto an unknown journey. These aren't random events in your life. They are powerful initiation points, precisely timed moments linked to your original soul contract, designed to guide you back to your deepest truth, to the very heart of your chosen path. Your body, through your navel, holds memories your mind may have forgotten, pulling you toward these vital turning points. Let me share a quick story, a glimpse into how this deep body memory can suddenly appear, giving you a quiet aha moment. She always felt a strange unease around mirrors, a subtle feeling deep inside, as if a vital piece of herself was always just out of reach. Her reflection often felt distant, almost a stranger. One quiet evening, alone in the soft glow of a single candle, her gaze unexpectedly softened and landed on her own navel. In that exact moment, a profound stillness, a sacred quiet, settled over her entire being, calming her busy mind. Then, an undeniable wave of ancient knowing washed through her whole body, from her core to her fingertips. A truth arriving not as a thought, but as a pure, felt understanding. Tears flowed down her face, not from sadness, but from pure, clear release, like water washing over an ancient writing. It was as if something deep inside her, asleep for a long time, a forgotten part of her soul contract, had suddenly woken up, whispering its true name and purpose, knitting her back into the core of who she was meant to be. Her body, her navel, had finally remembered. This powerful moment of self-discovery, sparked by a simple look and an open heart, connected her body's memory to a big life turning point, making a mystical truth feel incredibly personal and real. Some ancient traditions gently suggest that your navel holds deep memory, like a living record or a cosmic library of your soul's journey, waiting for you to access its quiet wisdom. If you feel drawn to explore this profound idea, here's a simple inner resonance exercise, an invitation offered with respect and space, never a command. There's no pressure at all. Simply offer yourself a moment for personal discovery and inner listening. Find a quiet space, maybe with soft, gentle light, sitting comfortably as twilight falls or as dawn breaks, letting a sense of calm settle around you. Begin by gently directing your gaze towards your navel. You don't need to stare. Just let your eyes soften and rest there, allowing your attention to gather at your center. Then, simply breathe and soften. Take a few slow, deep, soft breaths, letting your belly rise and fall naturally with each inhale and exhale. With every breath out, imagine your body softening, letting go of any tension, inviting a sense of gentle surrender. Now, for a moment of quiet insight, gently pinch your belly button lightly with 2 fingers, holding it softly, almost carefully. Continue to breathe deeply and quietly, just paying attention to any subtle feelings that come up. Did you feel anything? Maybe a delicate shiver going up your spine, a surprising pull deep inside your core, or even a sudden, clear sense of knowing, like finding a hidden key. This subtle feeling, this quiet spark, is not random. It's often your vagus nerve activating, a main nerve stretching from your brain, all through your body, deeply involved in how you feel emotionally and physically. In this powerful moment, it can be understood as your body's quiet echo of an old contract being remembered, a signal confirming that this mystery isn't just a poetic idea, it can be deeply felt, a real aha moment of understanding within your own body. If this quest for deeper self-understanding resonates, subscribe for more insights. You are definitely not the first person to wonder if your navel holds a secret. Across many cultures and throughout history, this central point of the human body has been seen as deeply sacred and meaningful. These ancient stories serve as powerful anchors, showing that this isn't a new fad, but a timeless ancient knowing now returning to our awareness. Think of Delphi and the omphalos. The ancient Greeks, seeking divine wisdom, placed a sacred stone at what they believed was the Earth's very center in Delphi. They called it the omphalos, which literally means world navel. They believed this stone acted as a direct path, channeling messages from the gods themselves, a direct line to cosmic truth. Its very existence pointed to a central, energetic link between the universe and the Earth. They say if you pressed your ear to it, in the deepest stillness, you'd hear the very voice of the gods themselves. Then, in the rich stories of ancient Vedic lore, a powerful and beautiful myth tells us that the sun itself, the source of all light, warmth, and life, is said to rise directly from the navel of the cosmic god Vishnu. This is more than just a story. It's a powerful symbol of creation, of divine energy, and of the endless unfolding of the universe, showing that all existence springs from this sacred central core, like a constant cosmic dawn coming from a divine belly button. And even in the various shamanic rites from tribal cultures around the world, there's deep talk of the navel knot, a powerful spiritual connection linking individuals not just to their immediate ancestors, but also to the vast unseen world of spirits. In some sacred ceremonies, this navel knot is sometimes intentionally opened or reawakened to access deeper ancestral power, forgotten wisdom, and profound memories, acting as a vital bridge between worlds, a direct link to the collective past and future. All these ancient stories and beliefs, reaching across vast distances and times, come together to show one powerful truth. Your navel is much more than a physical mark. It is a fundamental threshold between worlds, a potent connection point between what we see and what we don't, between the human and the divine, a silent witness to countless thousands of years of spiritual wisdom. These final thoughts are meant to be a quiet, deep message, inviting a powerful inner reflection as the profound mystery settles softly within your body, not just in your mind. Let them echo within you. Perhaps your belly button, this humble mark at your center, is not merely a scar, but a sacred seal. Perhaps something ancient and profound within you is patiently waiting, simply for you to remember. When you gently place your hand there now, in quiet presence, what stirs beneath? What truths whisper back from the depths of your own soul contract? Let the final moments be filled with quiet breath, not instruction. Let the silence itself be part of the profound answer, resonating within your own awakened core. If this deep dive into the mysteries of your being resonated with you, please like this video, comment below with your insights, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into ancient wisdom and self-discovery.